Let's get ready for an incredible evening as we begin a journey where every moment turns into a beautiful memory. It was a pleasure to see everyone, respected seniors and juniors, the new generation with their families and esteemed sponsors. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Girja Saga. कहते हैं कि एक मरीनर की जिंदगी बिल्कुल बॉलीवुड मूवी जैसे होती है। ड्रामा, रोमांच और सरप्राइज प्लॉट ट्विस्ट से भरी हुई, बिल्कुल वैसे ही जैसे जब कप्तान किसी जांच के दौरान पाते हैं कि इमरजेंसी जनरेटर पहले कोशिश में चालू होने से इनकार कर देता है। The evening opened with a warm welcome by Captain Sonak, followed by Ganesh Vandana, Siddhi Charan, a traditional invocation marking the auspicious commencement of the evening.
Good evening. I would like to take this opportunity to warmly welcome all of you to the Gracia Singapore D&D 2025 and to thank you for being here to make this event possible. My heartfelt thanks to also go to all the sponsors for their generous contribution towards the cost of this event and for taking time off to join us in celebrating Gracia D&D 2025.
अतिथि पहुंचते हैं और स्वागत पे रिफ्रेशमेंट्स का आनंद लेते हैं। वीआईपी और प्रायोजकों को उनके आरक्षित टेबल तक ले जाया जाता है। वेलकम एड्रेस बाय द प्रेसिडेंट, प्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ ग्रासिया सिंगापुर's activities and highlights from the past year, an inspiring address by Captain Venki.
For 1 year together, and I can say, at that time Dufferin was a lot of ragging going on, but lucky he did not rag me much. He did not give me any Charlie. If some of you don't know what is Charlie, we can give you practical demo right now. All you need is one wooden hanger and a swinging bar and your backside. Then you can know what is Charlie. So he did not give me any Charlie. Then only thing, he also, since senior, he had to show off that he is a senior. So I'm very.
और अब हम इस गर्व के साथ अपने प्लैटिनम और गोल्ड साझेदारों के सम्मान की ओर बढ़ते हैं। उनका उदार सहयोग, विश्वास और निरंतर प्रोत्साहन इस कार्यक्रम को सफल बनाने में और ड्रासिया को हर वर्ष एक अधिक मजबूत बनाने में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका निभाता है। Up next, we present the mesmerizing dance of the Damayanti, performed by the exceptionally talented girl अत्यंत प्रतिभाशाली शिवानी द्वारा प्रस्तुत एक सुंदर गीत। दुर्भाग्यवश कॉपीराइट प्रतिबंधों के कारण मैं इसे साझा नहीं कर सकती, लेकिन हमने यह मनमोहक प्रस्तुति लाइव देखने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त हुआ। Followed by a vibrant song sung by the talented Akanksha Bhatura and Captain Prashant, promising an unforgettable musical treat for everyone. Captain Sonak did a brilliant job as MC, keeping the energy high and flow seamless. His engaging presence, quick wit, and warm interactions with the audience made every segment even more enjoyable. मेंटलिस्ट टॉम ने कार्यक्रम में जबरदस्त उत्साह भर दिया। अपनी अद्भुत ट्रिक्स और माइंड रीडिंग कौशल से मेहमानों को मंत्रमुग्ध कर दिया और सभी को आश्चर्यचकित कर दिया।
Let's try this. Could I ask you also, could you put your left arm in the air? Don't move, just keep your left arm. Make sure it's vertical, don't do an Elon, otherwise we all get in trouble. How about... Oh, we'll try you later. I'm trying someone who I... It's gotta be you. Would you put your left arm in the air? Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Left arm in the air. Oh, would you put your right arm in the air? Right arm. Don't move, don't move. I want to show you the coolest thing in the world. To do this, I need 3 volunteers. Amazing! Give them a huge round of applause! They join me up on stage! Join me!
He even took 3 participants on stage and played fascinating mind games, leaving everyone spellbound and amazed. His remarkable ability to read thoughts and predict choices kept the audience on the edge of their seats. Laughter, gasps, and applause filled throughout the room as Tom flawlessly demonstrated why he is truly world-class mentalist. Every moment of his performance was filled with excitement, leaving our guests with unforgettable memories they'll cherish for years to come. अब समय है सभी का प्रिय लकी ड्रॉ का। रोमांचक पुरस्कार हमारे भाग्यशाली विजेताओं को मिले और मुझे मिला बम्पर पुरस्कार। Guests are warmly invited to enjoy a sumptuous dinner featuring a wide variety of dishes to satisfy every palate. Take this time to relax, mingle with fellow guests, and savor the delightful flavors prepared especially for this evening. Let's enjoy good food, great conversations, and wonderful company. डीजे खान म्यूजिक एंड एंटरटेनमेंट के साथ ये शाम वाकई अद्भुत रही। ओपन म्यूजिक पर शानदार परफॉर्मेंसेस से लेकर जोड़ी की शानदार डांसिंग तक हर पल ऊर्जा और खुशी से भरपूर था। यह एक यादगार रात थी। हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए धन्यवाद। नाचते रहें, जश्न मनाते रहें और अगले इवेंट में मिलते हैं। गुड नाइट।